Hello guys, you use smartphone Samsung Galaxy A71. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. In the white color, start unpacking. In the box we have adapter for charging, USB Type-C cable and headphones. Device with quad camera. On the front side 6.7-inch display front camera. On the left side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys. Okay. Upside without controls, downside USB Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay. Turn on display. Resolution Super AMOLED Plus. Full HD Plus resolution. About phone, One UI 2.0, Android 10, Knox 3.4.1. Okay, hello Geekbench 5. CPU test, CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 730. This is octa-core processor for 6 plus 2 cores, 1.8 and 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 618. Resolution and display PPA. Look results, single core score and multi-core score. Okay. GPU test results, close this and look Antutu test results. Antutu test results, okay. And start demanding game Beta San Andreas. Look how Beta San Andreas work on the device. Okay, display setup. And resume game. Game load. Works on the max graphic level and works perfect. Close this and talk about camera. I'll show you photos on the main quad camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.